Verbs on a dictionary. To conclude the lectures on verbs, let us take a look at the Japanese dictionaries on this subject. A dictionary of classical Japanese is a popular subgenre in Japan. It is not difficult to find a long list of such publications. Today, some of them are available in a digital format, free of access or being charged a fee for a purchase, often in a similar price of paper publications of the same title. Here are only a few such dictionaries. Practically almost all the publishers they are working with the reference books and educational materials prepare a title of such a dictionary in their lineups. To open a page of such a dictionary, a learner may be overwhelmed by its abundant information. There's no surprise. A dictionary has to provide thorough information to meet various needs from a user. Furthermore, repeated category names in the content and the limit of the space on the printed page all request a compact layout. Therefore, a learner needs to spend some time to become familiar with the format of a dictionary. Let us take the online Weibo Kogo Jiten as an example. This dictionary, although freely available, is based on this popular title, first published in 2003, updated and reprinted many times. The online version adopted a similar format from the printed dictionary. You can find stem of the word, ending of the word, part of speech, role in the syllabary chart, type of conjugation, each form of conjugation, meaning of the word in Japanese, source example, translation of the example in Japanese, and additional notes. While repeatedly use it, become familiar with its layout, you will surely be grateful for its rich information. For example, although conjugation is a part of a grammatical rule, this dictionary still lists up all the forms for an easy reference. Examples of word is taken from a masterpiece, and the translation to modern Japanese is provided. This becomes a highlight of this dictionary, and it is presented at the title of this dictionary, Gakken Zenyaku Kogo Jiten. Last, a friendly note. A dictionary lists up all the meanings and the usages of a word. It is the learner's responsibility to find out the right information under your context or a given learning task. See you at the next lecture.